Hi, this is Paul Harris talking from ISE show, and I'm pleased to announce the new SDVoE wall plate. So we like world's first, so we now have a 2-gang wall plate using the SDVoE 10 gig AV over IP technology. This new wall plate is not just a transmitter, but it's a transceiver. So that means it will do transmit or receive. It's also fully capable of doing seamless switching, video wall, windowing, and a lot more. It can also do a USB full 480 megabits per second, and with its low profile, it fits into many wall boxes. It also has options for Dante and AES-67, making it a full, complete in-wall solution. To also add to that lineup, we redid our 3-gang wall plate, which now runs cool to the touch. So I know some people out there don't like the warm feeling that some of the smaller wall plates have. So we made a 3-gang, not only for the cooler feeling, but also because we could do fiber on the back of it due to its longer structure. So we have a copper and a fiber version. And that is our new SDVoE lineup of product. This is the TC3-WP2 and WP3. And I'm Paul Harris, and you can find this at AuroraMM.com. Thank you.